A Sound of Thunder, detailed summary and analysis. Author Ray Bradbury, American science fiction writer, published in 1952. Genre science fiction dystopian cautionary tale. Central idea: even a tiny action in the past can create huge changes in the future. Characters: Eccles, wealthy, overconfident hunter, careless mistake changes history. Travis, safari leader, strict, responsible, values rules of time. Lesprance, Travis assistant, cautious, keeps track of animals to be killed. Time Safari Incorporation, the company showing human greed and arrogance. Themes discussed: 1. The butterfly effect. Small actions can alter history. 2. Power and limits of science. Time travel is powerful but dangerous. 3. Responsibility versus recklessness. Carelessness can destroy civilizations. 4. Fear of tyranny. Wrong political leaders may rise from small changes. Symbols discussed in the story. 1. The butterfly refers to fragility of life, symbol of chaos. The path refers to human control, order, safety. Sound of thunder refers to both the dinosaur's roar and the gunshot. Important quotes. A sound of thunder echoes at the beginning and end, meaning danger and destruction. Second quote: destroy this one man and you destroy a race, a people, an entire history of life, meaning warning about consequences. Moral message: human beings must respect nature and time. 2. Every action has consequences, sometimes irreversible. 3. Responsibility and caution are essential when dealing with powerful science. Detailed summary. A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. Ray Bradbury's short story, A Sound of Thunder 1952, is one of the most famous works in science fiction. It explores the themes of time travel, chaos theory, and the butterfly effect. How even the small actions can change the course of history. Detailed summary. The story is set in the year 2055, where a company called Time Safari Incorporation offers wealthy clients the chance to travel back in time to hunt dinosaurs. Eccles, a hunter, pays a large sum of money to go on a safari to the Cretaceous period. He is warned by the safari leader Travis about the dangers of the time travel. The following are the warnings. They must stay on a floating path to avoid disturbing nature. They can allow to shoot animals that are about to die naturally. Even the tiniest change in the past can drastically alter the future. When they arrive, they find a massive Tyrannosaurus Rex. Overwhelmed by fear, Eccles panics and steps off the path despite the warnings. Travis and the guides kill the T-Rex, but the furious with Eccles for disobeying the rules, they force him to remove the bullets from the dinosaur's body. Back in 2055, subtle but shocking changes are noticed. 1. The language on science has slightly altered. The political situation has changed. An authoritarian candidate has won the election. These two are the major changes. Eccles looks at his shoes and discovers a crushed butterfly. His small mistake has completely altered the course of history. Travis, enraged, raises his gun. The story ends with the title's chilling echo. There was a sound of thunder. Key quote: a sound of thunder refers first to the roar of the dinosaur, then to the gunshot at the end, symbolizing destruction and irreversible change.